Hello guys, this is TechSpyUSA, and today I'm going to talk to you about a program called CCleaner. As you know, once you have computers for a while, they start getting slower and, a lot of lag, and especially with the netbooks that are not so strong with the processor and the RAM, etc. Um, so the computers can get a little slow after a while, or even older computers that a lot of people have actually still, and the older desktops and stuff that people have had for a lot of years, and they have never used programs like this. So there's a lot of stuff that your computer actually saves up that you don't need. Basically, every time you have a picture and you delete it from your computer, even if you delete it from the recycle bin, it never gets completely deleted from your computer. It goes into the back files of your computer and stays there forever. Actually, I don't know if you've gone through them. There's what's called the cookies from the internet browsing, the cache, etc. If you browse through those folders, which is a little complicated, and you have to find a way and through the browsing, my computer, see, blah blah blah. There's actually a lot of pictures from like websites and a lot of pictures from like you'll find logos like if you go to Google a lot, you might find the Google pictures that show up or like the Google sign and etc. So what this program does basically it cleans up all those things that you never used that are just slowing down your computer and taking away your memory, your disk space basically. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Um, First of all, you go. This is Google Chrome, so if you type into the address bar anything without a .com or without an HTTP or www dot, it'll actually do a Google search directly on you. So if you do a Google search on CCleaner, you're gonna find this website Perform, which is the people that made this program. You click on it, and it'll take you to this website. You go to download or download, whatever. It's the same thing. And if you want priority support, which if you have a business or if you have anything, that, or if you just really care about your computer and you want to spend the $25, 24.95 to be exact, you can go ahead and buy it. But they actually have this website right here. You can do it from straight from their website or from File Hippo. I'll choose File Hippo just because it's the first one. you This website is gonna show up, and you just download the latest version. It'll start downloading it. Download to the screen right here. 2.7 megabytes. Just wait for it. Just a few seconds. It's not too much. Okay, so basically you can just I'll do it the long way. You can just click on this through Google Chrome and it'll open it up. But if you don't have Google Chrome, you just go wherever you downloaded your file, your setup. Where is it? Where is it? C setup. Is that it? Yeah, that must be it. You click on it. Close this, or you just press run. Close this thing. So it's unpacking the data. Choose the language. Choose. You have the little wizard, and then I agree. The whole shebang. Okay, this option's right here. If you want a desktop shortcut, if you want to put it on the start menu, I usually take this off because I don't like a lot of things on my desktop. And this thing, what it'll actually do is it'll make a shortcut of whatever option you choose, or both. It'll make a shortcut when you right click on your recycle bin. So I usually put the run CCleaner, which just cleans up your computer, and the open CCleaner, it'll open the actual program and you can do. But I mean, I like to keep things on my computer as simple as possible, or as small, not too detailed, whatever. So I take off this one just so that if I want to open the program, I can just go to start and anything I want to do. Automatically check for updates. So just for simplicity, I just leave those two and install. I actually already have it installed, so it'll just install it. I'm not gonna install it right now just because I don't need to. But I'm gonna cancel it. Okay. Basically, what is gonna happen is it'll install CCleaner in your computer, and then I just have it right here. I'll open it up. So this is what CCleaner looks like. Here you have the cleaner options. Basically, these are the things that your CCleaner program will clean from your computer whenever you run the cleaner. The temporary internet files, cookies, history, recently typed URLs, all that stuff that you don't need. This is all for system. Unless you really know what you're doing, I wouldn't move it. I wouldn't move it around. Just leave it as default. Because if you might delete some things that you don't want to delete, or that will affect you negatively. So unless you really know what you're doing, just don't mess with this part or advanced. And you can go to applications and Google Chrome. You can delete the cookies, the history, the internet cache, everything, Adobe Reader. All these things create files in your computer on the back of your computer, basically. That things that you never see, things that you never use. I mean, what'll basically happen? It'll for the first time let's say you go to, I don't know, Facebook and Google Chrome, and if once you run the cleaner, so Google Chrome will be completely free of all the backup data, and basically it'll take a little longer to get to the Facebook website right after you clean it up. But it's just like what, a second or something. It doesn't really matter. So you can analyze it, see how much stuff you have, back in there that doesn't work or doesn't do anything for you really, but take up space and slow down your computer sometimes. You can click analyze and it'll tell you, okay, I have Google Chrome open, so forget about it. I'll just ignore it for now. So these are all the things, not much, but things that basically the system will clean, and you can run the cleaner and it'll just do that. Okay, Google Chrome, and then it cleaned all that up. And right now, if you analyze it, it'll be nothing but the Google Chrome. hmm So remember that I told you about the little shortcut on the recycle bin, right click. So we're gonna close this, and if you go to your recycle bin and you right click on it, let's see, I'll make a file just so you can see. Um, let's make a new text document and just leave it as it is and delete it. So you have stuff on your recycle bin cleaner, right? And I right click on it, and you have the option now here to run the CCleaner. So if you left click on it, it'll start just cleaning everything up. It will, according to the settings that you have put on the program. If you left the open program, open CCleaner option, it would also show here. So this file is gonna delete, and it'll also clean up everything else that you have, check marked. So we'll run it, and this little thing shows up right here, and there's basically nothing in there, so it didn't take long. But the first time you do it, it'll take a little bit because the first time I did it, I recall it deleted like something like 400 and something megabytes of data, and I had just gotten this laptop like 4 or 5 months before that. So it cleaned the file. There's nothing in there anymore. Cleaned your everything in your system. Everything is fine. So if you just keep using this program, once I use it once a day just to keep it clean and running perfect. You can clean it and defragment your computer, and everything will be more organized, faster, working better, and you'll have more space on your computer for your personal use. Once again, this is TechUSA, TechSpyUSA. I'm sorry, this is actually my first video, and if you like what you saw, I will be posting more videos later, and more tutorials, reviews, etc. about devices and programs, applications for phones, etc. Just subscribe and have a good day. Take care.